Welcome to our comparison of two popular built-in dishwashers, the Midea MDF18A1AST and the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MB. Today, we'll dive into their features, pricing, and overall performance to help you decide which one is right for your kitchen. Let's get started. The Midea MDF18A1AST offers a compact design with a capacity of 8 place settings, making it suitable for smaller households or kitchens with limited space. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MB boasts a larger capacity of 12 place settings, ideal for families or those who entertain frequently. This significant difference in capacity can impact your dishwashing efficiency and convenience. When it comes to size, the Midea MDF18A1AST is designed with an 18-inch width, making it a perfect fit for smaller kitchens. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MB measures 24 inches in width, offering a more spacious interior but requiring a larger installation area. Consider your kitchen layout when choosing between these two options. Price is another crucial factor in our comparison. The Midea MDF18A1AST is priced at $499, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable dishwasher without breaking the bank. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MB comes with a higher price tag of $999, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. It's essential to weigh your budget against your needs when making a decision. In conclusion, both the Midea MDF18A1AST and the BLACK+DECKER BDW200MB have their advantages and disadvantages. The Midea is perfect for small spaces and budget-conscious buyers, while the BLACK+DECKER offers more capacity and features for larger households. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.